What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a good day. I know I am. Just got some car parts in. It's always a great day when you get some new car parts, and especially something like this, which means the world to me, especially with a car. Just totally gonna make it. So funny story, I was actually just on Summit Racing, just looking around. I've been trying to find these wheels for months and months, and right now is a really hard time to get anything for cars, so and especially wheels. So Summit Racing had them in stock. Decided to order them, decided to try them out, and plus I think they look pretty damn good for the price. So I'll show you guys the rims and we'll test fit them. So here you go. Well, here they are, Ford Star D5 beadlock. They look really good, and like I said, for the price you really can't beat them. I actually have some drag radials for it, and they are actually in my basement. So they actually use the same size tire that I used to run on my Z06. So the 305 45 17. Excuse me, my garage is a mess. I gotta clean it up. But so yeah, I took the 28s off on the Z06 and put a 26-inch tall tire, and I kept the 28. So good thing I did, because the ETRs are really hard to get right now, and my tires are used, but they'll get me through the rest of this season, and I'll get some fresh ones for next year. But so yeah, I got these wheels. Hopefully I got some fronts coming soon, and I'm going to be at Cecil County making some passes on the car just to see where it stands. I mean, it's going to be slow, but you know, if I go 11s, you know, I'll be happy. But it'll be cool just to enjoy the car and, you know, make some passes. So that's the plan with that. But as of right now, I'm waiting for Ford TPMS sensors to come in for the rears, and they should be in here tomorrow. And I'm gonna get the tires mounted and balanced tomorrow, and I can throw them on. So it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna look really good, and I can't wait to see how it sits with the BMR drag springs. And we'll see if this UPR suspension can do me good. All right, guys, just got done test fitting the wheels, and I'm super excited to get them on. They fit great, and everything just looks sick. So I had to go run out and get some different lug nuts, because the factory ones are garbage and they wouldn't work. So I just, you know, local Pep Boys, stopped and got these. Each one is a lug or a lock, so it came with the key. Just way easier to use and a little more secure. So tomorrow, mount, balance, and throw them on. So I'll catch back up with you guys tomorrow, and we'll check them out. Squeeze my big ass under here. But let's just take a second to admire this UPR suspension. Love those guys. Appreciate you guys. Can't wait to put it to the test. All right, guys, in the daily right now. I got the Crown Vic loaded up with the wheels and tires. Getting ready to go to L's Tires on 40. My boy Jesse's gonna hook me up. We're gonna get these things mounted and balanced, and hopefully throw them in the car. So bring you guys along and see what's going on. All right, guys, just picked them up from L's Tire. Got them mounted and balanced, as you can see. Looking sick. Can't wait to get them on. Let's head home and throw these bad boys on. Well, guys, I got them on, and I absolutely love the way they look. You really can't beat the price and the look of them. I mean, they just fit so good and look really badass. But unfortunately, it's raining. The weather's kind of shitty right now, so I'm not able to get some good pics of it. But I posted a couple on Instagram, and I'll put them on this video too. But oh man, it looks so good. Pop getting all the horsepower over here.
Oh, Lordy, Lord.
Little intake action. You ready to go run 10s now?
Yeah. Coming after you.
Yeah. I gotta run 10s first. All right, let's
I already got you.
Oh man, let's throw this on. Woo!
Come on.
Well, there you go, Pop. What do you think?
Looking good.
All the horsepower now.
Yeah.
Start her up. Leave the tools in case we gotta adjust anything. There you go. Sounds good. Woo. Hear that thing sucking in now. You ready for the track?
Yeah.
So Chris doesn't know it yet, but I got him the front wheels for his car. So we're gonna take it in and surprise him. Just bear with me while I pick it up. Okay, you can open.
The hell did you do?
See what it is?
No. Is the performance?
Turn them on this side, just see what that is. Turn it over.
What's up?
Right there. Look at the picture.
You got me my fucking wheels. I'm gonna fuck you up. Where's your pop? Oh my god. I would have waited. You serious?
Are they both in there? Yeah.
Oh shit.
Let's see.
Look at that. Holy shit. Wow.
Nice.
They are sick.
That's what you wanted, right?
Yeah. Look at that. You really can't beat these for the price. I mean, come on. In stock, too. That's wild. It's gonna look sick. Sorry about this video, guys. It's kind of all over the place, but a lot's been happening the last couple days. But I figured I'd share that with you of installing Pop's intake on his car. You guys seem to enjoy that, and it's always cool to get to hang out with him. But man, my wife is crazy. She got me these VMS wheels to go along with the Forge Stars in the rear, and it's just gonna look so good. I'm so excited for it, and I can't thank her enough. She's always supporting me, always taking good care of me, and she's just the best, and I love her. So kind of corny, but you know, it is what it is. Figured I'd share that with you guys. But these will be on soon. Just got to get some front tires for it, and she'll be looking fast. That's about it, but it'll still be cool. Still have a lot of fun with it, and I think I'm gonna try and make some drag passes next week, and see if I can go, I don't know, 11 something, 1150. That'd be cool for now anyway. But up next is long tubes, cat delete, and E85, and then we can have some fun. But there she is. But that's pretty much all I got for you today. Like I said, it's all over the place. Pretty crazy video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really appreciate you guys checking it out. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more videos. I got some racing coming, quarter-mile passes, all kinds of cool stuff, more mods. So make sure you guys stay tuned and hit that like button. But thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you have a good day.